Hi guys, I'm Sancho. Today I'm going to discuss with you the 3 basic ways of taking care of our clothes, namely sewing, hand washing, and ironing. Watch closely as I demonstrate each step that I am sure you can also do at home. Of course, you may ask an adult to assist you if you find these steps difficult. Let's start! These are the easy steps in sewing or replacing a button on your shirt. First, prepare a thread and a needle. Next, push the needle into the fabric and pull the string but leave the thread hanging out. Then, push the needle back to the same hole and make a knot in the fabric. After that, pull the needle through the loop of thread and pull it down tight, or you can do it twice. Now go through the holes of the button, so put it up on one hole, then go down to the opposite hole. Go back through the fabric again and pull it tight. Go through the same holes and go through the fabric and pull it tight again. Then go through the other 2 holes. Make a knot before cutting the thread. Put it through the loop of thread before it closes and do it at least twice. Finally, cut the thread. Now let's learn the steps of hand washing our soiled clothes. Remember to always read the instructions before using a product. Check the fabric care labels and test a small area before using a product or natural solution. Now, fill a basin with water at a temperature corresponding with the one suggested on the label. Avoid using scalding water. Then, add an appropriate amount of washing detergent and dissolve thoroughly. Next, add the clothes to the water and leave it to soak for 30 minutes. Take particular attention to areas with stains and rub the fabric gently against itself. Once done, change the water and add a small amount of fabric conditioner and leave the clothes soak for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, drain all the dirty water from your basin and rinse the clothes thoroughly in fresh water to get rid of the traces of detergent. Finally, dry the delicate items on a flat towel to avoid distortion. You may hang non-delicate items to dry. Finally, here are the simple steps of ironing our clothes. First, get the shirt and read the care instruction. Next, turn the sleeves from inside out. Then, adjust the flat iron to its desired heat. Now, spray it with a little water and start ironing from the collar, then to the wrist, then to the front. Finally, insert a folded towel in the sleeves, then iron it. Then the shoulder part. There you go guys, we have just learned the simple steps of sewing, hand washing and ironing our clothes. Always remember that we must always keep our clothes clean, well pressed, and in good condition. Not only will we make it last longer, but it will also make us look better. Hey, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. I'm Sancho and see you on our next video. Bye!